Okay, this is the morning of the 24th of April. Yesterday was the 23rd when the hurricanes and wind blew through. I'm saying hurricanes, the news aren't reporting as hurricanes, but by Christ it felt like it here. As you can see, there's broken branches everywhere. Stuff's been blown all over the place. Jeez, my bird table's been knocked off centre. That must have taken a fair bit because it's held down by a brick. The table's been blown to hell. Fortunately, most of the hanging baskets are still there and the fence is still up. Initial inspection of the roof looks okay. I mean, chairs, mini greenhouses. This thing was blown over yesterday. This is our hanging basket stand. You can see the pots have been damaged. I'll have to fix that as well. A lot of the water has been blown out of the pond, as you can see here. It's down by about 2 inches. Plants been blown over. These are our little greenhouses. They're normally against the wall here, but they were blown right over. Rope snapped. And the reed fence is just a total mess. I'm going to have to rethink this. This isn't working the way it is. Oh dear, what a state. Like I say, it maybe wasn't reported as a hurricane, but it had been as well being one. Those winds got up to gusts of 100 miles an hour apparently, and the west coast of Scotland it may be as high as 150. Anyway, so I suppose this morning is going to be spent repairing all this. Damn it.